Governors are putting more restrictions in place as coronavirus cases spike. So how do the measures in the U.S. compare to the restrictions we are seeing overseas? Marcelino Benito connects the dots.
Coronavirus cases are not just surging in the United States. Across Europe, cases have been on the rise for weeks. But Europe and the U.S. are using different tactics to tackle the pandemic. So which one works better? Let's connect the dots. After a horrific spring in Europe, most of the region instituted a strict shutdown. The area was rewarded with a relatively peaceful summer. Cases fell, shops reopened, and tourists traveled. But starting in the fall, cases shot up again. In response, some countries are trying a more strategic approach when it comes to shutdowns, mainly closing bars and restaurants and leaving schools open. Meanwhile, in the United States, we've taken a different approach. The country saw cases start to taper off after a summer surge, but never really fell as drastically as many hoped. Now, coronavirus is making a comeback. Rules vary from state to state, but for the most part, restaurants and bars remain open while many students remain virtual. So which approach is better? For people who study how coronavirus is spreading, the answer is Europe. Bars and restaurants are some of the easiest spots for people to catch COVID-19, while schools offer little risk to children when they are not in a virus hotspot. Of course, scientists are considering viral transmission, not economic impact. Connecting the dots, I'm Marcelino Benito for H-Town Rush.